Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another healthy recipe. This one is a sweet snack that you can try. I make these all the time late at night when I'm craving something sweet, or after a workout I'll have them. I'll even add them to my smoothie bowls, but they're just energy balls. To sweeten them I use dates, just dried dates, and organic coconut sugar. So this first one that I made was a peanut butter maca energy ball. It just has peanut butter, maca powder, and some oatmeal in it, and some coconut sugar to sweeten. So that's the one that tastes like, that has peanut butter in it. And if you don't like peanut butter, you can always substitute for almond butter. And then this one is a lemon flaxseed energy ball. So this one has lemon juice. I put a little bit of vanilla protein powder in it, some flaxseed, which is a really good source of fiber, and also oatmeal, a little bit of oatmeal to thicken it. And this next one that I made was a cinnamon, I guess I call it a cinnamon coconut date energy ball. It has cinnamon, dates, coconut, what else did I put in here? A little dash of sea salt. All of these have a little dash of sea salt. So, oh, and pecans. I put pecans in these. So, yeah, so you can try these. They're really easy to make. So if you want to see how I made these energy balls, just make sure to keep on watching. So we'll start with the lemon flax seed bars. I have some fresh lemon, and what I did was I cut some of the lemon peel off, some of the lemon rind, just to give it more of a lemony flavor. So I'm going to use this lemon juice from the lemon. I have the dates that you saw me soak with hot water earlier to get them soft. So we're going to put the dates inside the blender. So I'm squeezing in about half of a lemon. Lemon juice from half of a lemon, and some of the lemon peel to give it an extra lemony flavor. And I have organic flaxseed. This is Badia brand. It's organic flaxseed that's already grounded up. And I'm going to use about a half a cup of flaxseed, ground flaxseed blender as well. So I'm actually using about 3/4 of a cup of flaxseed. And you want to put in a dash of salt. I would say maybe a fourth. I'm just going to eyeball it. Maybe a 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt. I'm using Himalayan sea salt that's finely grated. So about a 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt. 2 scoops of organic protein powder. I've been using this protein powder for years. It's one of my favorite plant-based protein powders, but I'm going to put in 2 scoops of this protein powder, and it has 21 grams of protein per serving, and it's organic, and it has organic fruits and berries in it, organic greens and grasses, 1 billion probiotics, organic sprouts, just a lot of great things in this protein powder. So you want your lemon flaxseed mixture to look about like this. You want it to be like a cookie dough consistency. I ended up adding some oatmeal and a little bit more flaxseed to thicken it up, but you want it to be really thick to where it's like a cookie dough texture. So when we roll it up into balls or into a bar, it's gonna be a nice thick consistency. So if you need to add flaxseed or oatmeal, just adjust to taste and see, check the texture, taste it, and just see what you need to add, but you can always be flexible with the recipe. Next I'm going to make the pecan date and coconut energy balls, and I have the pecans here, chia seed. I think I'm going to add some cinnamon. These are the dates that I soaked in hot water, a little dash of sea salt, and the toasted coconut chips. Okay, so I have the dates that I soaked earlier with hot water, so I'm gonna put those in first. And then I'm gonna put in the chia seeds, which will help thicken up the mixture also. And I have the organic toasted coconut. I'm gonna put those in. I would say probably 1/4 of a cup of the toasted coconut. You wanna put a dash of the Himalayan sea salt. I would say maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then the pecans. You can add a dash of cinnamon. I think that would be really good in this too. Maybe a dash of cinnamon into the mixture. And then you just blend. So this is a thicker mixture. So what I'm doing is just pushing all of I'll stop the blender and then just push all of the ingredients down because it's a drier mixture. And I don't want to add too much liquid because it'll get too much like a batter like consistency. So I'm just pushing down everything and then I'm just turning my blender back on. And I just have to do this a couple of times to get the right consistency. Okay, so I am gonna actually add a little dash of cinnamon into this mixture. I just think it will taste really good. So I'm just adding just a little dash of cinnamon to this, and you don't have to if you don't want, but I just thought that would taste really good. So this is about the consistency you want. It's still a few chunks of pecans in there, a few chunks of coconut. You can see the chia seed, but you want a really thick consistency and kind of chunky like that. But that's the consistency that I was going for. And I'm just gonna dump this out into a bowl so that I can roll it into a bar or energy ball. But that's the consistency that you want. So I'm just putting it into this bowl to let it cool off a bit. And I've already tasted it and it's really, really good. I think this would be really good chopped up into little bits on top of a smoothie bowl. But it tastes really, really good if you like pecans like me and coconut. You really like this one. So this is the last one, the peanut butter oatmeal maca energy ball or bar. This one you do not need a high-speed blender, but I have the base is the oatmeal. So this is just quick oatmeal. And then I'm using just a creamy peanut butter. Organic natural would be better, but this is what I have today. And then just a dash of Himalayan sea salt. That's just literally probably 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then I have my organic maca powder right there. So I did put maca powder in there. And then the organic coconut sugar. So this is my organic coconut sugar. Honey or maple syrup probably would be better, but this is what I have today. So I am using organic coconut sugar. And all you do is just simply mix this up. So I like to put the dry ingredients on top of the peanut butter. And again, you can just taste this to see if you need more sugar, if you need more salt. But this is one of the easy, quick little sweet treats I will fix late at night sometimes when I have a sweet tooth. So here you go. You want a thick consistency, again, like cookie dough. I just fold it over to get it this thick consistency. And again, if you need to adjust, add more peanut butter or more sugar, you can. So this is the consistency that we want so that we can roll it up into a bar or an energy ball. Here are the different flavors of the energy balls. That is the maca peanut butter one that I'm gonna roll up into smaller bites. And this is the coconut date one. coconut, pecan, and dates. And this one is the lemon flaxseed mixture. So these are our 3 different mixtures that we've just made. And I'm just dusting the lemon flaxseed ones in flaxseed so they don't, and ground flaxseed so they don't stick together. So this is just ground flaxseed that I am dusting all over each one of them. These are the pecan, date, and coconut ones. I rolled these up and I crunched up the toasted coconut chips. I crunched them up really, really small so that I can dust the pecan, date, and coconut balls with the coconut chips. So that is what I'm going to do with these so that they don't stick together. So I'm just going to roll them around just to kind of help them to not stick. This is the peanut butter maca energy ball. This one is the lemon flaxseed energy ball. And this one is the coconut, date, and pecan energy ball. So this is how they all turned out. And I normally keep them stored in the fridge in a freezer bag. So this is how they turned out. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for watching this video and taking the time to watch my videos. I really, really appreciate it. If you decide to try one of these recipes, make sure you leave a comment down below. Send me a picture on Instagram. You can follow me at Shanae Belton. But I really appreciate you tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.